Welcome children to social science class. Let's move on to the explanation part. Unit 3 Good Citizen. It shows the difference between animals and human beings. To understand the good values and to know about the factors that enrich good values. All of you know that man is a social animal. Humans think and act using their senses. They cannot live alone and need social and emotional support. They need to develop some good values. Children, we have some inborn values with ourselves and rights also. The aim of education is to change person into a valuable human being, that is helping someone, watering a sapling, helping your grandparents, pampering some pet animals, gardening also, salute also. Okay. Students, do you know what is good values? Yes, good values are the qualities of a person that keep the society running. In the above section, you all learnt now, no? That is good values. The term civic relates to people or civilian or citizen of a country. People should live together in unity despite all the disparities. Living together in harmony is a significant value. Helping others is also an important value. Today's children are tomorrow's citizen of a nation. That is, you are all tomorrow's citizen of the nation. Moral and good values have to be cultivated in our children. Some of the good values are, and it is divided into personal values, cultural values, social values, disciplinary values, constitutional values. Students, what is personal values? Yes, personal values are moral values. It is a basic value of an individual, that is love, mercy, generosity, honesty, truth, friendship, hospitality, peace, tolerance, faith, and so on. Cultural values. Becoming well mannered and cultured is an essence of the society. Irrespective of language and religion, people live together in harmony. It helps to maintain cultural values. We are all humans, no? We must live together as brothers and sisters. Students, let us watch a video now. Social values. This value must be followed in the public places. That is, maintain good relation with people. We have to respect elders. We have to protect the nature. We must be tolerant also. We should maintain friendship. Disciplinary values. Students, do you know what is disciplinary values? Yes. Whatever we do, we must do on time. That is punctuality, involvement, treating everyone as equal, doing work on time, holding morals, discharging duties without fail, and so on.
Manu and Bose were friends. Manu and Bose were equal in their performance, may it be studies or sports.
Bose, it's time for school. Are you coming or not?
2 minutes. I will come. Just wearing my shoes.
Manu was punctual and regular in all his work, but Bose was bit lazy guy and used to keep things postponing.
Bose, you saw the notice board? There is a competition to be held by next week. You know the topic?
I haven't seen the notice board. Tell me what the topic is.
It's about cricket. And you know what the prize is for the winner? A cricket gear.
What? A cricket gear? Oh, I will take part in this competition.
Me too. We have to write a 2-page essay on the game cricket and submit it by Monday the next week.
Oh, Monday. We have still 5 days for that. A lot of time.
But we need to collect the articles. Let's go to the library tomorrow.
The next day,
Bose, come, let's go to the library.
No, I'm going to play. Saturday is holiday. I will go to library on that day. You carry on.
Manu wrote the article on cricket and submitted it on the Friday itself, while Bose planned to submit it on Monday. On Monday,
Bose, come on, it's getting late for school.
Manu, you carry on. I will be little late to school.
so Manu left to school. Bose reached the school late by half an hour. He rushed to his teacher to submit his article.
Keep it on my table and go to your class.
In the evening,
Bose, come here. I cannot accept your article because you were late in the submission. But to be honest, your article was wonderful, better than Manu's. Manu, you have won the first prize. Bose, if you would have submitted it earlier, then definitely you would have won the prize.
Sorry, teacher.
At least now you can correct yourself. Be punctual and do things regularly.
Do not worry, Bose. At least from now, do not keep things for later. I will share my prize with you. Come, let's go now.
from that day, Bose was very punctual. This made his parents and teachers happy.
Coming to the next one, constitutional values. Students, anybody know what is constitutional values? Yes, I think somebody is answering. It means to act according to the rules, government rules, like safeguard public properties, to maintain unity and integrity of the nation, to develop scientific attitude, to protect natural resources, to care for the environment, to honor national symbols, to respect martyrs and their sacrifices, to preserve our cultural values and heritage, to develop patriotism. Coming to the next, factors that enrich good values. They are literacy, awareness and interest, try hard till success, to evaluate oneself, acceptance, self-confidence. Students, this is mainly for you. You must follow these rules in your home. Can we see what is that? Wake up early in the morning, brush your teeth, have a bath, wear clean clothes, wear slippers or shoes, trim hair and cut the nails, wash hands before and after meal.
Cleanliness of the body. We must keep our body clean for good health. Cleanliness prevents diseases and makes us feel fresh. Now let's see some good habits for a healthy body. 1. Do not oversleep. Get up early in
Students,
the morning.
let's watch a video about
2.
cleanliness.
Go to the toilet. Flush the toilet after use. Wash your hands and feet with soap. Splash cool water on your eyes. Remove the dirt from the corner of your eyes. 3. Brush your teeth and rinse your mouth well. Clean your tongue with a tongue cleaner. Brush your teeth twice a day. Once in the morning and once at night. 4. Take a bath every day with soap and water. Wash your hair too. Girls with long hair should wash their hair at least once a week. 5. Use a clean towel to wipe your body and hair dry. Comb your hair neatly. 6. Always wear clean and tidy clothes. See to it that your clothes do not get dirty. Always carry a clean handkerchief. 7. Do not put your fingers in your mouth or bite your nails, as the dirt collected below the nails will enter your stomach. Then you will fall ill. Nails should be cut at least once a week. 8. Clean your ears only with a cotton bud. Do not use any sharp, pointed objects like matchsticks or hairpins to clean your ears. I hope you don't do that. No? Very good. Remember, good habits for cleanliness. 1. Flush the toilet after use. 2. Wash your hands with soap after going to the toilet. 3. Brush your teeth twice a day. 4. Do not put your fingers in your mouth or bite your nails. 5. Cut your nails at least once a week. 6. Wash your hands before and after meals. 7. Rinse your mouth properly after meals. 8. Take a bath every day with soap and water. 9. Use cotton earbuds to clean your ears. 10. Wear clean and tidy clothes always.
Thanks for watching the video, children. Hope you all enjoyed the class.